Okay. Uh, for our budget, we have it's mostly on the continuation from our previous budget. One of our main requests was for the manifest for next year, Melanesian Festival of Arts. The other ones was continue from the old one, the 3 million interest free. We continue with our village improvement scheme. We continue with supporting the provincial council and the payment for the Turangan Yabusa and Turangan Koro, which we really appreciate for the Ministry of Finance for continue to provide the fundings for the ministry. Yeah, that's one thing. It has been an ongoing. They've got the budget for that. The only thing for us is how we can utilize those budget well. That really goes down to the communities. I think with the Melanesian Festival of Arts will really touch the grassroots in regards to our preparations for MacFest for next year. We also thank the current budget in regards to, especially for bring back the terms of funding to the TLTB that will both benefits the leases and the landowners, which is we really appreciate that one. Also with some of the development that's already been carried out by TLTB in regarding to agriculture. Now the Ministry of Finance is providing funds for the access road. That's one of the main obstacles in regards to those who want to participate in farming, especially for our Fijian communities. They want to go into farming, but the access was hindering. With the assistance that's been provided by the Ministry of Finance now, it really helps. The HIV is we have been doing the awareness. We have, I think that one is a national issue. It's we need to really have a look at the data, what's happening out there in the provincial, what's happening out here in the urban. It's a national issue. Then we need to discuss it together how we're gonna tackle the HIV. They've got it in the budget. Hopefully it will cover also those people out there in the province. Okay, for that one, it's taken care by the TLTB. They've got the process where before it's usually 5 years before the lease expires. Now they request to move it up to 10 years. So they're quite doing the advance consultations where they'll have to consult on both sides, the landowners, and consult also those who lease the land. They have to come, and they have the consultations should be done by TLTB on both sides. When everything is well taken care of, the agreement, then from there, then those who lease the land should be advised what's the decision by the landowners. As we have seen, there's a lot of development coming up. The landowners now, they've seen what's the real value of the land. Before, they were not really worried about when they lease out the money. Now the numbers are coming up, the numbers in the Matangali and the Husa, and also the development are coming up, and they are aware of the worth of the land that they give us for lease. So I hope that understanding will be there on both sides.